Hello viewers, hello again, welcome. Today we are going to tell you about something amazing: jute craft, mindfulness, relief anxiety, and many more. Stay tuned with us, watch till the end. We are giving you amazing ideas in this video. So be a part of this journey and be connected, stay connected. Welcome to this peaceful crafting time, my friend. This is not just a video, this is a space of calm, a place where your heart can rest, a moment of your mind to soften. Today, as we work with jute craft and simple handmade X-Mix ornaments, we are also practicing something deeper: mindfulness, emotional grounding, and gentle self care. Because crafting is not only about creating something beautiful for the home, it is about creating a moment, of peace inside yourself. When we feel anxious, the mind becomes crowded, thoughts rush like fast winds. The body becomes tight, breathing becomes shallow, but the hands know how to heal. Crafting with slow minds, simple movements tells the mind, you are safe. There is no rush. You may rest now. As your fingers wrap the jute, stitch the felt, tie a bow, notice how your breathing naturally slows. No forcing, just being. This moment is simple and your heart deserves this simplicity. Let's try a gentle breathing rhythm while you work. Wrap the jute, inhale softly, tie the knot, exhale slowly. Feel the calm in your hands, feel the softness in your shoulder, let your jaw loosen. You are doing well, you are allowed to feel peaceful. So, emotional meaning in handmade crafts. Handmade ornaments are not only decorations, they are emotional container they hold. Your patience, your care, your memories, your energy, your peace. Every time you look at these ornaments hanging on your tree or wall, they will remind you of this calm moment, of your breath, of your stillness, of your gentleness. You are creating not just decor, you are creating comfort. If your mind begins to wander, it's okay. Thoughts are like clouds, they pass. Just gently returns your attention to the texture of the jute, the soft rustle of the pine cones, the quiet sound of the thread pulling through fabric. This is mindfulness, not forcing stillness, just returning to the present again and again with softness. When life feels heavy, your hands can guide your heart back to calm. When emotions feel too much, slow crafting helps you release them gently, bit by bit, stitch by stitch. So, what do you think about that? When life feels heavy, your hands can guide your heart back to back. You don't need to fix everything today. You just need to breathe and make one smile, one small, beautiful things. That is enough. You are enough. Make one thing but best. Affirmation while crafting. Speak only inside your mind. I allow myself to slow down. I am safe in the moment. In this moment, I am creating beauty with my hands and peace in my heart. I deserve calm. I deserve gentle days. I deserve to breathe. Let these words rest inside. You like warm light. So, as you finish your jute ornaments, the stars, the warmth, the pine cone, or the felt heart, hold it in your palm for a moment. Feel the work, feel the care, feel the peaceful energy you placed into it. This ornament is not just decoration, it is a remember. You can slow down, you can create calm, you're allowed to rest. Hang your ornaments somewhere you will see it often. Let it whisper to you each day. Breathe. You are doing beautifully. Take life gently. Thank you for crafting with me today. May your heart stay soft, your mind stay peaceful, and your holiday be filled with warm, gentle, and light. Thank you. Be a part of this journey for this holiday season. Your craft will be amazing, and improvement in your craft. May your home fulfilled with love, happiness, togetherness, and many more you have want in your life. You have it, you achieve it, inshallah. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. Have a very nice and beautiful good day. God bless you all. Take care.